Agilent Technologies offers a comprehensive and expanding portfolio of PXI modular measurement solutions. The breadth and depth of Agilent's PXI platform includes hardware, software, and accessories that automate test from DC to microwave frequencies. Two of Agilent's newest PXI products are the M9391A Vector Signal Analyzer and the M9381A Vector Signal Generator. Together, the M9391A and M9381A PXIe VSG create a powerful test solution to speed up manufacturing RF test, reducing the cost of test and ownership. Let's review in detail how the PXIe VSG hardware and measurement applications address your manufacturing challenges and increase RF component test speed by 400%. The wireless industry's growth requires manufacturers to test twice as many RF devices in half the time. These devices are becoming more complex, including more channels, frequencies, and formats. The PXIe VSG covers frequencies up to 6 GHz, with bandwidths up to 160 MHz to support the most current wireless standards. All hardware options are license key upgradable, which means you don't need to return the equipment for upgrades. The PXIe high-speed backplane architecture enables VSG control and data transfer. Embedded measurements enable fast tests using Agilent's FastTune technology to reduce amplitude and frequency switching time to less than 10 microseconds. The PXIe VSG supports a wide portfolio of X-series applications for cellular and wireless connectivity standards. Supporting standards from GSM through LTE, the modular X-series applications provide fast and comprehensive measurements for each standard based on Agilent's proven measurement science. Speed is important, but equally important is fast test development with minimum downtime risk and staying within budget. Within each X-series application, you can select the key measurements you need, such as EVM, ACPR, as well as uplink and downlink analysis, without having to develop and debug complex algorithms. Users of Agilent X-series analyzers can leverage their existing test code for PXIe VSG tests. X-series applications have the same familiar user interface and trusted measurement science. The Agilent M9391A VSA software can be used with the PXIe VSG for R&D and pre-production device evaluations. For VSG test signal generation, Agilent has an extensive list of Signal Studio applications, providing industry-standard test waveforms and easy custom waveform development. The VSG has built-in measurements to quickly and easily test RF device IQ, spectrum, and power characteristics. The embedded measurements can be activated programmatically or from the PXIe VSG soft front panels. The PXIe VSG includes drivers which allow you to program in your preferred programming environment, including LabVIEW, MATLAB, Visual Studio, and others. The PXIe VSG soft front panels allow easy user control of signal generation and analysis for test system setup and debug. Here we'll show manual IQ, spectrum, and power measurements for a component power amplifier. This block diagram shows the PXIe VSG configuration in the PXIe chassis for a power amp test. The VSG test waveforms used were generated using Signal Studio software applications. The power amplifier output is measured with the PXIe VSA's embedded IQ, spectrum, and power measurement modes. The PXIe VSA's soft front panel enables quick access to the analyzer's embedded measurements. Here, the PXIe VSA IQ mode shows magnitude versus time in the upper display and FFT-generated amplitude versus frequency in the lower display. The VSA spectrum mode displays the frequency domain and provides settings found in a typical spectrum analyzer. The VSA power mode provides easy waveform power measurements like adjacent channel power. Before performing power amp parametric tests, it's necessary to set the power amp output power to the desired level. Non-deterministic PA servo loop test iterations to set output power can consume significant test time. Using PXIe VSG fast-tune technology, servo loop power amp test levels are set in tens of milliseconds, allowing fast test sequences using Modular X-Series applications. Once the power amp output power has been set, a variety of parametric tests can be performed using the PXIe VSG Modular X-Series applications. Here we see the power amp ACPR measurement results for the power amp using the Modular X-Series WCDMA application. The non-deterministic power amplifier servo loop iterations can be performed in less than 10 milliseconds. In this example, the power servo iteration time was 3 milliseconds. After setting the amplifier output power, Modular X-Series software performs EVM and ACPR tests in 20 milliseconds or less. With the PXIe VSG, the typical power amp test time has been reduced by a factor of 3 or 4 to under 1 second. In summary, the Agilent PXIe VSG fast-tune hardware technology and Modular X-Series applications provide exceptional test speed with trusted measurement results in a PXIe platform for today's and tomorrow's test. Test-ready X-Series applications accelerate test development times by allowing code reuse and leveraging Agilent's proven measurement algorithms. The PXIe VSG modular test environment's flexibility provides easy hardware and software upgrades using licensed key downloads, enabling easy expansion of test capabilities when you need them. The entire PXIe VSG test environment is designed to give you test confidence now and in the future while lowering the cost of test and ownership. The PXIe VSG is supported with a 3-year warranty, and modules feature eCal stickers for easy calibration management. Agilent has 50 service and support centers worldwide and can provide VSG express repair with 5-day turnaround. To see more on Agilent's new VSG and how you can be ready for tomorrow today, go to agilent.com/find/modular.